Is that Imam's room? No, rather that is the teacher's room. How is the teacher's room? His room is wide and clean. His room is wide and narrow. Wide. Is the door of the room is open? Open. Is the window of the room is open or closed? Closed. What is in the teacher's room? There are a cot and table in teacher's rooms. Where are the cot and table? In teacher's room. There are a book and a pen on the table. Is there a book on the table or a pen? A pen. You do. I do. She goes out. You go out. I go out. He goes. He sits. I go. You go.